The new MMV3 series, designed specifically for women, is Nike's latest update to the Air Jordan 1 Low. The futuristic style of this pair, which is expected to debut in fall 2025, is characterized by layered embellishments and metallic tones. This updated version has a dramatic, chromed-out appearance that combines mesh-style grid panels with gleaming metallic overlays. The shoe has a high-tech edge thanks to its molded 3D swoosh and geometric paneling, but the line's deconstructed aesthetic is maintained by the structural toe box and oversized lacing system. With a simple white midsole and rubber outsole, the sneaker maintains tradition underfoot while advancing its aesthetics. It is anticipated that this release, which retails for $135, will be one of several colorways that add to the MMV3 series later this year.